What's up, big timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Today we've got a bunch of new Hot Wheels cars to go over, as well as some Tesla news. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as I post at least 3 videos per week, and make sure you turn that notification bell on too. Alright, let's get into this week's news. We'll start it off with a bunch of new Hot Wheels mainlines for 2020, including this McLaren P1, which will be an exclusive Target Red Edition car. Another Target Red Edition car will be the Custom Auto. The Land Rover Defender 90 is coming from the Factory Fresh series, Moto Wing from Rod Squad, Pedal de Metal from X Racers, Shelby Cobra 427 SC from Hot Wheels Roadsters, which will be a Zamac release, 42 Willys MB Jeep, which is a Baja Blazers series. We get a new color of the Tesla Model 3 in blue from Factory Fresh, Donut Drifter from Fast Foodie, Duck and Roll in a new color from Street Beast, the Dodge Charger Drift from Hot Wheels Rescue, Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, 49 Merc from Hot Wheels Flames, 67 Camaro also from Hot Wheels Flames, Jaguar XESV Project 8 from Nightburners, 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35 from Nightburners, and the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata from Hot Wheels Roadsters. We also get these pictures of the up-and-coming Chevrolet Impala SS. We saw this one in concept form recently, but now we've got it painted. It looks like it's almost production ready and should be featured on a Hot Wheels card very soon. Are you enjoying this weekly edition of Hot Wheels News? Let me know by hitting that like button. We've got a new premium Hot Wheels pop culture Disney set coming, which will feature 5 cars, including this one from Beauty and the Beast, Deco Delivery representing Aladdin, Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas, Mulan, and this custom GMC panel truck which represents The Lion King. This set should be hitting stores very soon. Moving on to some new Super Treasure Hunt news, we've got this 65 Ford Galaxy, which looks to be the next 2020 Super Treasure Hunt. Although we don't officially know which case it's going to be released in, if I were to guess, it would be from the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. Stay tuned, and once I find out some more news on this, I'll release it in an upcoming video. Moving on to this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week, and this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week are the Creative Options 5315 case, and the reason why I'm recommending these is because they are my favorite thing to use to display my Hot Wheels. These are perfectly sized to display 24 Hot Wheels cars, or if you want to use this as a carry case, you can store up to 48 cars in this case. I have bought a ton of these to display my Hot Wheels, and I absolutely love them, so I would highly recommend them, and they are this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week. For current pricing, check out the first link in the description box below. With the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Summer Games coming up, we've had some Hot Wheels released that are themed in the Tokyo Olympics Games, but check out this 10-pack which is fully themed as a 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Although I'm not sure where, but this was already found in a local store. If you have found this, let me know in the comments down below. About 3 months ago, Tesla announced the Tesla CyberTruck, which is a totally radical design truck that we almost thought it was a joke when it was released. Well, Mattel is now throwing us a curveball, and they are releasing 2 different Tesla Cybertruck remote control cars. The first one is a 1 in 10 scale Cybertruck, which is approximately 20 inches in length. It will travel up to 25 miles per hour and have all-wheel drive. It will include real working headlights and taillights, as well as the tonneau vault cover just like the real Cybertruck, and it will also have that telescopic tailgate that folds out into a loading ramp where that Tesla ATV rolled right up onto it. The plastic body will be removable to show the full interior, and it also has a reusable cracked window vinyl sticker. The cost of this one is $400, but it's actually already all sold out. If you do want to get one of these, the 1 in 64 scale version is still available for pre-order. It will cost you $20. The 1 in 64 scale version is 2-wheel drive with a chill and sport speed mode and reaches a scale speed of 500 miles per hour. It can be recharged right from the controller. I have gone ahead and ordered the 1 in 64 scale version, but unfortunately it does not deliver until December of 2020. But not to worry, as soon as I get my hands on this, I will have a full review for you guys. And that's gonna wrap up this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Make sure you go check out this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week, which will be in the link in the description box below. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.